In this video, we will discuss how to use press releases to get more customers. Press releases are a powerful tool that can help you reach a large audience, build credibility, and generate leads. We will cover the basics of writing a press release, including identifying your target audience, writing a compelling headline, and including all the necessary information. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and skills you need to create press releases that will help you grow your business. A press release is a news announcement that is sent to media outlets in order to publicize an event, product, or service. Press releases are typically written by public relations professionals and are used to generate media coverage for their clients. Press releases can be used to announce a new product launch, a newsworthy event, or a change in company leadership. They can also be used to promote a special offer or to generate buzz for an upcoming event. Press releases can be used to reach a large audience, build credibility, and generate leads. By reaching a large audience, you can increase awareness of your business and its products or services. This can lead to increased sales and profits. Building credibility is important for any business, and press releases can help you to establish yourself as an expert in your industry. This can make potential customers more likely to do business with you. Press releases can also be used to generate leads. By including a call to action in your press release, you can encourage readers to visit your website or contact you for more information. This can help you to generate a list of potential customers that you can then market to. There are a few key steps to writing a press release, including identifying your target audience, writing a compelling headline, and including all the necessary information. Identifying your target audience is important because it will help you to tailor your press release to the people who are most likely to be interested in it. Once you know who your target audience is, you can start to write a compelling headline. The headline is the most important part of your press release, so it is important to make it catchy and informative. Finally, you need to include all the necessary information in your press release. This includes the who, what, when, where, and why of your news announcement. Press releases can be a powerful tool for getting more customers. By following the tips in this video, you can create press releases that will help you reach a wider audience and grow your business. Press releases are a cost-effective way to generate media coverage for your business. They can also be used to build relationships with journalists and other influencers. By following the tips in this video, you can create press releases that will help you to achieve your business goals.